We've been together with family, old friends, meeting new friends, and now we just needed a little bit of time to decompress. I think we found the perfect place. Let's go down that road. This is pretty awesome. We are surrounded by mountains on all four sides. One neighbor. An occasional train. And a couple airplanes were big airplanes, so they were way high. It's so quiet. Needed this. a dust storm. Pull off roadway. Turn vehicle off. Feet off brakes. Stay buckled. Eee! Pray. Pray. That's a good one. They should have one more sign. Dirt road way up there is where we're going.
Wildlife.
More cows. Hello, girls. More tourists. They're all over the place. Well, maybe they're not all girls either. That one is. Check it out. Get on the road part way and just see.
Continue straight.
How much? How far does it go?
I don't know. Doesn't say.
Continue for half a mile.
Yeah, it's more sandy here.
Definitely would be a lot more comfortable with a single, just a vehicle.
With it just a van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a big ride.
Oh. They're watching us. It's like, oh man, another one.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
That's good because don't want to go much further.
We're going to get to the top up here. That's where it's going to open up, according to that aerial view of it. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Better check the weather because we're going to get rain tonight. I don't want to be up here.
You think we'll get rain?
Well, I don't know if there's clouds over there.
Okay. All right, we'll check the weather.
You have arrived.
Yes, we have. And it is huge. Huh.
Turn around so we're facing the other way. Is that okay?
Yep.
Or you want the door facing this way?
Oh. No. Gotta do what you gotta do. Maybe we'll see mountain goats up there. Or rattlesnakes. Woo! What is this?
Looks like an old quarry.
Yeah, it does.
Hopefully it's something that isn't used much anymore.
Oh, I don't think so. There's no signs up or anything anywhere. There's a kind of a ridge there from somebody. Not positive what this is, but it looks like it might have been a quarry. Woo! See any animals? Ooh, this is like pea gravel. This is a huge area. God, you can see for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. And there we are. Take a picture of Gary taking pictures. Can hear the cows behind me. They're all over out here. They're just roaming this huge area. I think we're protected from the winds here because it was like super windy today. We got these mountains here, we got this big hill here, and then there's over there. I think we're kind of nestled right in a little valley here. All right, time to make some supper. So we don't buy a lot of gluten-free stuff, mostly bread is about it. And these are pretty good for doing hamburgers and things like that. I like them. They're not a huge bun, but they taste pretty good. So we buy those every once in a while. And then we don't hardly ever do stuff like this. But they're turkey burgers already made up, already have the patties. The ingredients is like next to nothing. This is white turkey and sea salt. So we're going to have that for supper with these. And then a salad. And probably some pinto beans with some seasoning on them or something. And on the salad, I'm going to be using up the rest of this cucumber. So we have that on with the salad, and that'll be our supper tonight. And while supper is cooking, I'm going to hard boil some eggs so we can have egg salad sandwiches for lunch tomorrow. I'll show you the recipe for that on Facebook. So I rinsed the beans, and then I added some Italian seasoning to them. This. And then a little pepper. And now I'm going to just add a little bit of this Marie's Mediterranean vinaigrette. Just a little to it to give it a... That's about it. Stir that up and cook that. The buns are warming up because they were froze, so they're on a very, very low burner. And I love these turkey burgers because they are supposed to be made from a frozen state. And I hardly ever think of taking something out of the freezer ahead of time. So I really like them. How is it?
Terrific. Did you work for a dentist or something?
The seal of approval.